Dragon 101, welcome. Right, so I'm just going to show you these dragon bars, what they basically mean. So dragon, you've got dragon bar here on the left. Do you want to click on that and read through what it has? Okay.
Oh.
So basically, ignore everything in this thing, with the exception of exit.
Okay.
Exit is how you close it. This two bar will stay there as long as you need it to, until you exit.
Okay, and I just click on the desktop icon if I wanted to open up.
Yep, you just open it up and then it comes back on. That's it. So we've already set Dragon up now. So all you've got to do is just open it. Once you open it, the bar will come up and then it will start loading your profile for you. Okay. And when you want to exit, you just click on the Dragon bar and then you have exit right there, can't you? Yeah. Okay, that's good. So that's all you've got to worry about. The rest is a classic Dragon up. I wouldn't recommend getting on that because the Dragon, it looks horrible. That's the old star one. The tray icon only, I wouldn't recommend you doing that either, because the tray icon only will take everything out, and people, when they normally click on that, they don't know how to find themselves back. And then you have auto collapse. So auto collapse, what it means is when you move your pointer away, it would go smaller. Try moving your pointer away. There we go.
Sorry, I just had to move you. Okay, yeah.
You got it. Yeah. So that's auto collapse. Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. So do you want to go back on there? And then you've got profile. So click on profile. Currently, if you want to create a new user profile, you will click on new user profile. It's already got your profile that you set up opened. So that's all you've got to worry about. And add the vocabulary to the current user profile. So different words, when you are learning different words and you want to add it to your vocabulary, that's where you'll be using it. That will be, you could see that. I mean, we'll play around with one of those words in Dragon later, and you could close your user profile, but anyway, you could back up. So just a few things you need to sort of know. This is where your user profile is. Half of the time, you wouldn't even touch it.
Okay.
And then you've got tools. So tools where we could add a new word.
Do I need to back anything up, or like does it update automatically? These obviously Dragon saves as I go along, and I'll have to save the document, but the backup user profile, I don't have to.
So let's say it's just backing up your current user profile. So the way Dragon works is, if there's 3 people, let's say if both of you and your husband using the same laptop, your husband can set up his own Dragon profile, and then you can set up your own profile. Yeah. So if you back up your profile, that means if you delete your profile in an accident, then you've got a backup of it. But if you're the only person using it, then happy days.
Okay, cool.
That's what it means. And then you've got tools. So tools is where you would add new commands. So can you give me a fancy South African word, like Afrikaans or something?
Lekker.
Lekker. How do you spell it?
L-E-K-K-E-R.
Okay, lekker. Okay, cool. Now, lekker in English, you wouldn't recognize it, but if you add it here and you train it, next time you pronounce lekker, it will type that spelling for you.
Okay.
Does that make
sense?
So
that's under add new auto.
No, add new command. Sorry, not add new command. No, sorry, not add new command. It's the other one. It will be in the profile.
The add vocabulary.
Yeah, vocabulary. Yeah, add vocabulary to current. No, sorry, that's not the one. Click on tools for me.
Okay.
Add new auto text, new command, manage. Yeah, vocabulary. Sorry, that was vocabulary. Got me confused for a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, it says vocabulary. Yeah. And then we've got vocabulary. I think what I'm talking about is in vocabulary. Yeah, if you click vocabulary for me.
In the the next one. This one.
Yeah, that's no. Is that a vocabulary?
Yeah, this is in profile saying add vocabulary to current user profile.
Okay, no. So you've got after tools, and then after tools is vocabulary.
Oh, sorry.
So what we're looking for is add new word or phrase. So ignore what I just said to you earlier on. It's
Okay.
add new word or phrase, not
Okay, so okay.
Good. Right. And then we've got the dragon, the microphone.
Actual button, yeah.
Yeah. So the microphone, what I like you to do is click on it. It will go green. When it goes green, that means it's live. When it's green, if you're talking to someone, please don't talk because it will type it for you. Yeah. So when you click on it, it will go green. And when it goes green, you will say go to sleep. And when you say go to sleep, it will go blue. So try that for me.
Okay, I'm just writing down blue. Wake up. Go to sleep.
Good. Okay. So when it's blue, you could say wake up. And then
wake up.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Well done. That's your first step. Always remember those commands. So now that you've got your command list, so I would have told you your first command is wake up and the second command is go to sleep. You should have a command there that says scratch that. Do you have it?
No.
So scratch that. That's number 3. Or
is that like delete in a way?
No, it's undo. So you could use the same either scratch that or undo that.
Okay. But in context, it takes it away.
In context, whatever you just did last, it takes it off.
Okay.
Delete is a different option, but scratch that basically just
like an eraser.
Erase what you last did.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. And yeah, okay. So let's get the Word document going. I'm sure you're ready for your
yeah.
Do you want to open the Word document I sent you?
Mm-hmm.
I think you should have that open. There we go. That's it. And you've got Word as well. Well done. Congratulations.
I feel like it's only taken us like almost 2 weeks to figure it out.
Yeah. I mean,
okay.
I was ready to give you. I've got some test ones. I could have probably given them to you. Okay. Thanks. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do our first dragon run. So we're gonna put under the paragraph. Always remember, if you made a mistake, you just say scratch that. And if you get frustrated, you just say go to sleep and then talk to me. The reason why I'm doing that is you don't want my voice in Dragon because it will learn my voice and you don't want that. You want it to focus on only you. Dragon will learn your voice probably over an hour. And after it learns your voice over an hour, someone will be talking to you in the background and it wouldn't type it up. It will only pick up your voice.
Cool.
That's the secret. So I'd like you to read this thing exactly as it appears. So my name is Melissa. Oh yeah, another word you should put down is spell that.
Okay.
Spell that gives you an option. So, all right, you write that and then I'll explain it to you.
Gotcha.
So let's say you, for example, you say my name is Laka. And the Laka spelling, it will put its own there. And then straight away, when it spells it wrongly, you just say spell that. When you say spell that, another option will open up, and then you'll be like Lekker, and then it'll come up with options at the bottom. One with a capital letter at the beginning, the others with all mixed up, and then you would choose the one you like. Ideally, it will be the one with the capital letter. So you just say choose one, and then it goes in there. So we'll pick it up gradually. So. You're going to say, my name is Melissa, full stop, new line. Today is 6th of September 2020, full stop, new line. I am studying at, you mentioned your college or uni name, full stop, new paragraph. You need to be very, very clear and more of assertive. That's the only way Dragon will respond to you.
Okay.
So go for it. Go for your first run.
Wake up. My name is Melissa. Full stop, new line. Today is Sunday, the 6th of September, 2020. Full stop, new line. I am studying at Suffolk University. Full stop, new paragraph. Go to sleep.
Good. I didn't want to talk because, so that's what I mean by that every single time.
I was like, what's happening here?
Yeah, okay. Very, very good, Melissa. Well done. Okay, so is there another spelling of your name, Melissa?
Yeah, what my name? Actually, maybe if I can do my surname, because that's something that's really difficult.
Okay, that's fine. Right, what we're gonna do is I need to give
I don't
you
even
another.
know how it's gonna read it.
That's fine. It will. Okay, I need to write another command down.
Okay.
Insert. So is insert before stroke after into brackets the word. So, okay. So for example, if I wanted to insert it after Melissa, I'll say insert after Melissa. If I wanted to insert it before Melissa, I will say insert before Melissa. So that's why I say insert before stroke after into brackets the word.
Okay, so I've written down insert before after. So I'll just decide if it's insert before and then I say the word.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, anyhow you write it for you to understand it is for you. That's why I explained it. Good. So what I like you to do is you will say insert. Now, long commands need to be very, very assertive. Just remember, Dragon will either pick up a command or it will type it for you. So if you say a little bit slow, it will type it. So you need to be in between, very clear and concise. So insert after Melissa, and then you'll put the pointer there. When it puts the pointer there, you just say Diego. Yeah?
Okay.
And when you say Diego, let's see what spelling it comes up. But I'm assuming if the spelling is wrong, which it will be, you will just say spell that, and another option will come up, and you say D-E. Is there a hyphen in the middle? Yeah, D-E space. Let's see what comes. D-E space, and then you spell it.
J-A-G-R.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you spell it, and then it will come up. It will give you options of how it will look, and then you say choose that. Worst case scenario, I'll whisper in the background for the commands. So go for it.
Okay, so are we, just to check, am I going from my name is Melissa, insert after Melissa?
You're going to go insert because now you've already got the text in there, so you want to
okay.
Yeah, you want to manipulate the data.
Wait, what am I saying, Joseph?
Okay, I'll whisper in the background for you if you want. Okay, so wake up.
Wake up.
Insert after Melissa.
Insert after Melissa.
Diego.
Diego.
Spell that.
Spell that. D-E space J-A-G-E-R.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Select D. Select D.
Select D. Choose two.
Select Jaeger.
Select Jaeger.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Go to the end of the third line.
Go to the end of the third line.
Sorry. Go to the end of the... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to the end of the sixth line.
Go to the end of the sixth line.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
I know we said quite a lot, but did you get anything in there?
Yeah, I just need to add a letter to my surname because I took away the E. Yeah.
Yeah, took away the E. Okay. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna say select D, and you're gonna say spell that. Again, I'll whisper it. I'll let you do one, and then I'll let you do another on your own. All right.
Okay.
So wake up.
Wake up. Select D.
Spell that.
Spell that.
D-E.
D-E.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Select D.
Select D.
Choose 6.
Choose 6.
Scratch that.
Scratch that. Go to sleep.
So it has to be a capital D, not a lower D, isn't it?
No, I can actually. Sorry, it's correct. It's a lower D and
it's
capital
a lower D.
J. Yeah, it's a lower D and capital J.
Yeah, so why are you making me struggle?
Sorry.
Okay, good. All right. So that's the manipulation. We said a few commands you didn't write down. It was select. I think you've got that word down from the video.
Yeah, I got select, and then you choose the word that you want to select. You say the word. So.
Right. I would like you to replace the word Sunday with Saturday.
Okay.
What would you
say? So I think what I'll do is I will say, obviously, and then I will say, go to the end. Ooh. No, I would say select Sunday.
Yep.
And I will say Saturday.
Yes, that's it. Go for it. Don't forget it. Go for it straight away.
Okay. Wake up. Select Sunday. Saturday. Go to sleep.
Cool. Fantastic. Excellent. Okay. Right. So what I said earlier is obviously the lines. There's how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3. So I'm counting from the top.
6.
1, 2, 3. There's 2 in the middle, which is hidden.
Oh, okay.
If you remember when I said go to the end of a 6th line, it didn't go to it went somewhere because I missed that space in the middle. So let's say we'll put 2 in the middle. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically we've got 8 lines.
So I will have to kind of remember, if I'm going to be talking about lines, that the spaces are lines as well.
Yep. To the fact that if you can't remember lines, you could just say insert after university.
Yeah.
So if you say insert after university, it takes it there, and then you just say new paragraph.
Okay.
Or you could just say, so wherever it is now, you could say, go to the end of the next line. Yeah. Do you need to write that down, or you've already got that down?
I've got to go to the end of the next line.
Yep. So go to the end of a line, go to the end of the next line, or go to the beginning of the next line, or go to the end of the...
So it can be beginning, be beginning or end.
It can be beginning or end.
Okay, I'm gonna add that. Okay, cool.
So what I like you to do is, I like you to use the command to take the pointer down and create a new paragraph, and then we'll move on to the next set of data.
Do you want me to go to what is Dragon, or do you want me to just say like...
You could, if you try and take it to, another word, you could just say move forward number of words. So if you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So move forward 8 words or 7 words. It would take you all the way into the end.
Question.
Go for it.
if, say, for example, I'm busy doing an essay and I've like been talking about a paragraph, am I allowed to manually move my mouse to an area?
Yeah.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
I'm just thinking that sometimes it might be easier to just type like
just
a
type
whole
it up.
paragraph, and then I can actually just separate
Yeah.
the paragraph manually.
Yep, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Yeah, you're allowed to use your mouse, to be honest with you. Just get the sunlight in there. Okay. Okay, go for it.
Okay, where am I going? Am I going to
scroll down to what is Dragon naturally speaking? That one. We're gonna so if we scroll down here, exclamation mark. So let's push this one down. Then we'll get a nice clean space to work. Okay. So this one, I want it to appear exactly as it looks on there. I've given you a bit of cues, half and half. So
I just want to read it before I say it.
Yep.
Obviously, after question mark, I will then go question mark, next line.
Next line, yep.
Okay.
Because the question mark is a little tiny thing, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Shoot, okay. Hopefully I get this right. If not, whatever. Okay. Wake up. What is Dragon naturally speaking? Question mark. Next line. My trainer says, comma, open quote. It's the best speech recognition program ever made, full stop. Close quote. Next line. I can use it to dictate into my documents and control my computer with my voice, exclamation mark. Next line. What is Dragon naturally speaking? Question mark. Next line. My trainer says, open quote, it's the best speech recognition program ever made, close quote. Next line. I can use it to dictate my documents and control my computer with my voice, exclamation mark. Go to sleep. So I forgot to put a full stop in.
Where did
I don't know.
All right, so what you need to do is you need to go.
It was at the, sorry, it was the second last line on the bottom.
Yep. So what you could do is to say insert after the word. Now, before you do that, if there's duplication of words in it, so as you can see, we've got dragon. The word dragon appears in more than once, isn't it? Yeah? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it appears more than once, what you could do is when you say select dragon, it will put numbers right in front of it.
Okay.
So the one you want, you just mention a number you want, and then you can work with it.
Okay, I don't understand.
Okay.
Sorry.
So try, say, just say wake up and select dragon.
Now.
Yeah.
Wake up, select dragon.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Okay.
All right, I see.
Yeah. So other than that, it'll be, when you're writing text, you would have maybe like a THE, you would have numerous ones, won't you? So if you want to manipulate that data, you want to delete it. So that select command enables you to zoom right into the text and then work with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But like I would need, in order for this paragraph to make sense, I need like dragon, all three of those dragons in there.
Yeah. You could. Yeah.
Because why would I take it out?
Oh, no. I mean, if you want to manipulate it, for example, if you want to replace, we're looking at it when you're doing sort of text where you sit back and you think, right, I'm going to replace this word with something else.
Okay, I see what you mean. Okay.
Yeah. And
I can choose which one of those dragons.
One of those, yeah. So, where is he had to put the full stop? Can you use your mouse?
Second last paragraph. There it is.
What?
Yeah. It's the best speech recognition program ever made. There's no full stop.
Okay. So again, when you say insert after made, it's going to ask you which one.
Yeah, and then I'll choose.
And you just mention the number. Like if it comes up like 1, you just say 1.
Okay.
And then you just say full stop. And then you go.
Okay, so I don't say insert full stop.
No. Okay. You could use that if you get to the advanced level where you say insert after made, insert full stop after made. Try it, see what happens.
Okay. Wake up, insert full stop after made. So 2.
Scratch that.
Scratch that. Scratch that.
Insert full stop after made.
Insert full stop after made.
2.
2.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
It did not get the other ones because it's the third one, isn't it? Right.
Yeah.
It's probably because the page has got the made quite down. So scroll up. Okay, now I'll try it.
Okay, so should I?
Or just say insert after made.
Wake up. Insert full stop after made.
Say it again.
Insert full stop after made.
Be more assertive.
Insert full stop after made. Two. Go to sleep.
Yeah, you get to understand it gradually how it behaves. But I mean, I'm showing you these manipulations because I know what you're gonna do is you would have probably an article, and you're just gonna be reading it full stop, comma, full stop, comma, new line, full stop, comma.
Yeah.
You will go through a page very quickly.
Can I try just read something then?
Yeah,
is that okay?
Read any random thing.
Okay, I'm just gonna get it. Oh, here's a book.
Yeah. Go for a paragraph, and then when there's errors, just manipulate them.
Okay.
But if you're very clear and concise, you wouldn't have to manipulate. So you could go for it in one go. But it will learn you. It will learn how you. It's learning you now. Go for it when you're ready. Make sure the pointer is in the right place. So go to the end of the next line, go to the end of the next line. You could say the same thing. If you forget one command, you could just say the same thing a couple of times.
Over and over, yeah.
Until it gets to where you want it to be. Or you could just put the pointer there.
Is there a way that you can say go to the end of the paragraph?
Yeah, go to it. Say it.
Because then it will go to the end where it says my computer with my voice, right?
Yeah, try that.
Okay. Wake up. Go to the end of the paragraph.
Say it again.
Go to the end of the paragraph. Next line. Go to the end of the next line. Go to the end of the next line. Go to the end of the next line. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Okay. With Dragon, when you're using it and it starts coming up with those, is repeating the words you set in by showing it text to you, it means you're not being clear enough to it.
Okay.
That's what. So you might look at your microphone positioning, the clarity of your voice. So you start looking at those options.
Okay.
Or you just try and repeat it again, or use another command. It does that every now and then. But after a while, you're gonna be okay. I think 3 years ago when I first used Dragon, I went through the phase, but actually I've never had to sort of repeat myself again because it just learned the way I talk. Yeah.
Okay.
So keep trying it. Go to the end of a line. Go to the end of the next line. Keep trying until you get there. If not, you just use the pointer to put it.
Yeah, I'm happy to like manually move it.
Go for it. Move it and then put a paragraph in. The most important thing is text, really, isn't it?
Yeah, as long as it can recognize what I'm pronouncing.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Yeah. Go for it. Oh, try
Wake
and
up.
bring it up.
New paragraph. So what teachers should do to help is focus on what kind of preparation will generally help students when they get into a high performance, high stakes exam, full stop. There's an interesting review of the various study skills that students use when preparing for exams, and unfortunately, some of the most common things, like rereading notes, or highlighting or understanding materials in preparation for exams, turn out to be the ones that are probably the least useful in terms of helping students do well, full stop. Go to sleep. Good. Seems like I got everything.
Yeah, you got. How long did it take you to get a paragraph? That's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good. I just like freeze because when I read out loud, I obviously because of my dyslexia, like reading out loud is difficult.
Yeah,
but it just takes practice.
Yes, it takes practice. That's very true. Okay, so I'll show you other data manipulations, little ones. Like, okay, there is a few errors in the previous text. Naturally speaking, is put together here.
What did I do?
Can you see it?
Is that because I said it too fast, maybe?
So what would you do? You can't separate it, so you will have to delete it and then say separately.
Oh, okay. Or I can just manually do it.
Well, you can manually do it, but I have to show you first.
Okay, no, that's fine. What do we do?
What you do is you say select naturally speaking, and once you select it, you say naturally speaking. Yeah, and then you say select naturally, and you choose the option that has a capital letter. And just remember, the naturally speaking, there's more than one, so
I have to choose a number.
Yep. So go for it. I need a
wake up.
Yep.
Select naturally speaking. 1. Naturally speaking. Go to sleep.
Okay. Can you make the naturally?
Shoot, I forgot about the capital. Sorry.
No, change them. Change them. You know now. Change.
Okay. Wake up. Select naturally sleeping. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I said select. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I said select naturally sleeping.
Yeah, it's probably because you're sleeping. But do you need a break, however?
I'm okay unless you need to.
We're nearly done anyway, but
yeah.
So All right. So you've rectified your mistakes now. So go for it. By the way, those things that are highlighted, if you say wake up and they're highlighted,
Yeah.
whatever word you say, it will take those words out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because they're highlighted
So,
now, try and get the highlight off. Just remove it. Click anywhere else.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So basically what you're saying is if the word is selected, that means that when I say wake up, it will change that highlighted area to whatever I'm saying.
Whatever you're going to be saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you highlight a section verbally?
So again, that's the lines. So try saying select the next line and see what happens.
Okay. Wake up. Select the next line. Select the next line. Good morning. Go to sleep. Okay, cool.
It's again lines. Yeah. So
lines.
yeah, just remember it's like a line where you say go to the end of a line, select the next line. So again, once you have it selected, you could do a lot with it. You could say delete that and it will take it out totally, or you replace it with a word. Or you could say bold that, where it will bold it, or caps that.
Is it caps or capital letters?
Yeah, caps.
Bold that.
Or caps that, yeah.
Caps that. I'm so excited to use this. You have no idea. I'm such a slow typer.
Yeah, it will make life.
Will it make capital I's capital letters?
Yeah, it does it. You know, once you say full stop.
Because sometimes I'm writing sentences and I would just be typing I, but my laptop doesn't automatically make them capital letters. I have to like manually then go and change them all.
Okay, you know, Dragon, if you look at the paragraph you just done.
Yeah.
You didn't say any capital letter, but look at it. Look at the text and see what.
Oh, okay, yeah, but I'm just asking, like, if I had the letter, the word I, in the middle of a sentence, would it make it a capital letter or small letter?
Try it, see it. Just put something under good morning.
Okay. Wake up. Wake up. Next line. I am going to the shop. Full stop. I am going to go have some ice cream and then I am going to go to bed. Full stop. Go to sleep. Okay, cool.
So spell checks your it's a spell checker stroke everything in there because it's the perfect text making machine.
Okay, great. Cool. Thanks, Joseph.
Yeah. Yeah. So what there was another thing. No, don't run away from the naturally speaking part. You need to do it still. Sorry.
Why?
The naturally speaking part. There's another one. Right, you need to make the naturally speaking, this one.
Capital.
Yeah, you need to make it capitals. So go for it.
Wake up. Select naturally speaking.
It's one word. All right, work with that.
Naturally speaking.
Select naturally.
Select naturally. 2. 2.
Choose
1. Ugh.
Scratch that.
Scratch that. Scratch that. Select naturally.
Scratch that.
Scratch that. 1.
Use 1. Scratch that.
Scratch that.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Okay. So there's two.
Sorry, that was confusing because I didn't know where to look. I didn't know where to look on the screen.
Okay.
So I was just like following your instructions.
Whatever. So you know when it comes up with the single numbers in front of it, that one is just basically just say 1, 2, 3 or whatever number it comes up with.
Okay.
However, when you use a select command, you get a list of other things involved in it. So depending on where the word is, because if you just say 1, I think Dragon doesn't want to confuse it with the other part. So you just say choose 1, choose 2, because it's written next to it, isn't it?
I understand.
Yeah.
So the first step is to select a word. It will just be the number. Yep. Once it opens, then you have to say select, then the number.
Yeah, choose. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, choose number.
Choose a number.
And then choose 1, 2, or 3. Okay. Cool.
So can you use that same command and do the change of speak in the S for me, please?
Okay. Wake up. Select speaking. 2. Choose 1. Go to sleep.
Very good. Okay, you got it. If you want to make Dragon bold or any other dragons bold, you could just say select Dragon and you could say bold that. Or italicize that or underline that. So you select the word and then you do it.
Okay, I'm just going to try that now. So underline as well. Wake up. Select Suffolk. Bold that. Underline that. Go to sleep.
Cool. The last command I need to show you. Well, this is not the last command. There's a lot more, but some of it just are quite intertwining with the others.
Okay.
You could
so there's nothing else that I really need to know.
Right. Can you see the options in here in the current where you said you can also select spell that if you can't see the choice above, play that back, all caps that, add that to the vocabulary, on select that. Oh yeah, I need to show you the vocabulary. Don't recognize that word, make that a command, corrections option. So you could say, if you ever get stuck, you need to write this command out. What can I say?
What must I write down? What can I say?
Yeah.
What can I say?
So if you say, what can I say? It will come up with 4 options where you say, show navigation command, and then it will show you. Right, this thing, I'm going to talk you through to it, but if I need you to say, I'll just say this. Right, yeah. Okay, so tell it to wake up for me.
Wake up.
What can I say?
What can I say?
Show navigation commands.
Show navigation commands.
So as you look on that, these are your navigation commands. Just don't say anything yet. When it says go to the end of a line, go back, go up, tab 4 times. So that means that could be able to move it. Yeah. Obviously, go to the end of a line, go back. Yeah, it will take it back to where you were. Go up, it will take you all the way up. Tab 9 times. That will tab it and bring it down or up, depending on where you want to go. Insert before or after the text. You know that one, don't you? Spell that, or you could just, so really, now you could just say go back. Say go back.
Go back.
Yeah, so go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Show navigation command. No, sorry. What can I say?
What can I say?
That's it. So show correction commands.
Show correction commands.
There we go. So you can see spell and then the characters. Yeah. Select, you know about that. Undo that, you know that one. Delete that or delete line. Backspace. Yeah. Space is there. So again, go back.
Go back.
What can I say?
What can I say?
We're going to select the next one, which is show formatting commands.
Show formatting commands.
So this one, you know, bold, capitalize, all caps that, quotes that, make that bulleted. Yeah. So these are there for you. So go back.
Go back.
What can I say?
What can I say?
We'll try the fourth one. Show punctuation commands.
Show punctuation commands.
There we go. So open code, close code, open paraf, close parent, ellipsis, dot dot, new line, new paragraph, caps. So you say cap the word and then all caps word. Yeah. Go back.
Go back.
What can I say?
What can I say?
And then we've got the last one, which is open help.
Open help.
So basically, this is a Dragon Help Center where you will go on to use the web, how to use the web, how to detect text, how to edit text, how to correct errors, fix issues, get trained. Yeah, I have a, so just say go back and go to sleep.
Go back.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Good. All right. So it's quite difficult not being able to talk, isn't it? Yeah, so this is what we've got right now. I need to show you how to add a new word. Yeah, so close this for me. Add a new vocabulary. So you have the option of using the spell that, yeah, or
yeah,
frequently use the word. You just have to add it to it. Okay, so let's try. Right, click on the Dragon toolbar for me. Vocabulary. Add word or phrase. New phrase. Right. Spell the word that you want it. The lecker or whatever. The original word, the original spelling. Is it leaker or lecker?
Lekker.
Lekker. What does that mean anyway?
Nice. It's like one of those words that can describe anything good, like for food, for the weather, for how you're feeling.
Okay, cool.
But it just means good, basically.
Right. So if I don't know the spelling, how would I spell it?
I think someone that didn't know the spelling would just spell Leka.
Yeah, okay, try that. Lekker. Yeah, go for it. Put that in the spoken form.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Spoken form, I just put like that. Lekker.
Leke or Ka. What is it? Okay, that's fine. We'll try. We need.
I'm so confused, Joseph.
So the spoken form is, if I didn't know
how it's pronounced.
How it's pronounced, yes. How it doesn't have to be a perfect spelling.
Lekker. Yeah, it's with an A.
Okay, cool. Now there's another box that says I want to train the pronunciation of the word and phrase. Okay, click on add. Vocabulary does not contain following whatever word is spelled as intended. Click OK. Okay, go on. Speaker. Okay, cool. So when you click on train, you will pronounce it. Now make sure the bar goes over 50%, and then you just either save it on the order train. But I'll say train it about twice. So when you click on train, you say lekker, You click on it again, you say lacquer, and then you save it.
Lacquer. Oh.
That might not be good, but let's try it. Okay, so just go new line and just say lacquer and see what comes up.
Wake up. New line. Scratch that.
Move forward one word.
Move forward.
One word. Scratch that.
Scratch that.
Move forward one word.
Move forward one word. New line. Lacquer. Go to sleep.
Okay. So at least you've got a hint that this is what you know. So you need to put this word as a spoken form instead of the L-E-K-E or K-A. Does that make sense? You want to go back on there to add vocabulary.
What word should I put in?
Yeah, put a lacquer in. That's the original word.
Okay. Am I putting it in the way that it's spelled?
Yes.
And then spoken form, how it's pronounced.
Yep. So do lacquer. L-A-C-Q-U-E-R.
L-A-C-Q-U-E-R.
Now click on add.
Okay.
Just say lacquer. Click on lacquer and then save and tray.
Lacquer.
It's another, so you fine. So click on cancel. I'll try it, see whether you might get it. It takes a
wake up. Wake up. New line. Lacquer. Select that.
Spell that.
Spell that.
Choose one.
Choose one.
There we go.
Go to sleep.
Yeah, okay, cool. So I think you've got quite a bit now. So before we end, well, when we end, I'd like you to go on the toolbar. Remote control. Okay, toolbar, and then there's an interactive user guide on here on the help bar. So if you click on help.
Sorry, yeah.
Interactive tutorial. Don't click on it yet because it will take over your screen. But
okay.
Interactive tutorial, you know, you read it, you click next, you read, you click next. It gives you everything you need.
Okay.
Gives you everything you need. And that's Dragon for you. Dragon has also got an extension, so I'll just install the extension for you. Can you click on, I don't know why can you click on Chrome for me? Okay, and put in a search bar, put Dragon Chrome extension or Dragon Chrome plugin. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, click on the first one, Dragon Web extension. Okay, add to Chrome. Click add extension. Good. Now go to your emails. Click on compose. Move it into where you would type. That's it. Now send me an email. Just say, send me a message. No, not type. Use Dragon.
Wake up. Good morning. Good morning. Next line. Trust you are well. Full stop. Next line. Today we are looking at maths, comma, and will we scratch that. And we will be discussing algebra. Full stop. New paragraph. New paragraph. Kind regards, comma, new line, Melissa, space, scratch that, Diaga. Spell that. Scratch that. Scratch that.
Spell that.
Spell that. Scratch that.
D-E.
D-E. Scratch that.
D.
D. Space. Scratch that. J-A-G-E-R.
Lowercase that.
Lowercase that.
It wouldn't work. Yeah, scratch that.
Scratch that.
Now you can click on that one, and this one, and click on it. Yeah, and go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
You get there. It's just one of those things, really. So, were you excited-ish?
Yeah. I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
I
Cool.
think it will help a lot with, like, even if I just am reading paragraphs,